Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create overlay bar charts. These are another type of dynamic charts used to emphasize any particular percentage in our presentation or dashboard. Hope you have seen the other video also where percentage is shown like this, like colored boxes. So if we have 45 percentage to show, we have 45 circles colored and the others are not colored. Today we will create charts like this, where changing the percentage value will change the percentage of filled thermometer. So for example, if you want to show how popular a particular song is, you show it like this. Here it is already liked by 80% of people. If you change the value of this percentage, you can see the thermometer now shows 20% hot. So that particular song is only 20% liked by people. Similarly, you can use the other infographic of the like hand button where 69% of people like the particular item. Now let us learn how to create such dynamic charts. Let us consider that I am collecting donations for a good cause. My aim is to collect 100,000. In this cell, I will keep updating the total value of donations accumulated. This cell will give the percentage of my aim achieved. Now I want to represent this percentage as percentage of the piggy bank filled. I already have an image of this piggy bank. So if I have 50,000, which will be 50% of the target, I want my piggy bank to be half filled with yellow or golden color. If you closely observe the thermometer chart, you can see that it is a column chart where the length of the column proportion is increasing or decreasing with the change in percentage value. In fact, that is the trick here. The trick is to overlay an image with hollow transparent center over a bar chart. This bar chart will be representing the percentage value. So if I go back to my piggy bank, first I will create a column chart. I'll go to insert, select column chart. So you can see I have created a column of 50%. This is the only value that I want to show. I'll click OK and close this. I'll have to change these percentage values, the axis that we have on the vertical side, from 0 to 100%. For that, I'll go and format axis and select the values 0. It will have a minimum value of 0 and a maximum value of 1. Okay. I'll close these formatting options. If I change the donations to 80,000, you can see the percentage also changed and the value in chart also increased. Now I have to format this chart and to make it ready so that when I overlay the piggy bank image over this, it will represent the percentage of donations that I have received. So to do that, I will first remove the extra things from this chart. I'll remove the chart title. I'll remove the legend box, clear the chart area, clear the vertical axis. I'll keep the grid lines for now so that I know what is the range. So we have this chart ready. I'll bring this image to the top so that it overlays the chart. Now I'll try to get this positioned correctly. Important thing to note when you are setting these two images together is the 0 of your bar chart should be the lowest point of your image and the 100 of your bar chart should be the highest point of your image. That's why we kept the grid line so that we can match the top and bottom of our bar chart with the image. Now that we have done it, we'll move the bar chart under the image. To retain your vertical position, you'll need to hold the shift key and then move the chart. Your chart is in the right position. You need to increase the width of this chart. Select chart, select series, decrease the gap. You can see that the piggy bank is now 80% filled. You can change the color. As I said, I want a golden yellow color. Remove the border, no border, and now I'll remove the grid lines. I'll remove the border of the chart also. You can see at 80% my piggy bank is 80% filled. If I change the donations to 100% to 100,000, my piggy will be 100% filled. So your infographic is ready. You can use it in presentations or your dashboards. That is all. For more such videos, please visit our YouTube channel, StarTech Academy, or if you want to learn Excel overall, check out our course on Udemy. Thanks.